Hag? Hag, no? Wait. Ow! Oh, gunting na din. Doktor na. Doktor Kok siya. Hi everyone, good morning. It's now June 15 and today will be the second day or second part of Jana's birthday celebration. So we are heading to Canuba Beach. Mga ligo mi adto and karong mga 9 AM mag-kiddie party pa una ang mga kids there sa McDonald's Hagna. So see you. Happy birthday, Jana. I love you. How old are you? I am 2 years old. Kiss mommy. Bye. Pinatog si Mayote. Oh.
Okay, say hi! Hep hep! Ready to get about the chicken, ready with Macdo ha? And 3, 2, 1, chicken! Macdo! Okay, before we start our program, our birthday celebration sa karong adlaw, mag-ampo ka. Labing balaan o gamanan ng mga Diyos, dako na mo ang pasalamat ng adlaw, Ginoo, diin imo kaming gipa abot dinhi nga lugar, Ginoo, nga safety sa among mga biyahe. Nga birthday sa amuan kanang sa amuan pag-umangkon nga si Jana Grace Astudillo. Ginoo, ikaw unta padayon maggabay, magbantay, mag-safety sa iyang kinabuhi. Ug unta sa iyang pagdako, Ginoo, ikaw ang mag-guide, mag-bless kaniya ang kadaghan pang mga katuigan nga moabot sa iyang kinabuhi. Ug samtang magapadayon kani sa iyang birthday celebration karong buntaga. Ning tanan ang mga pasalamatan giangkog salig sa ngalan ni Jesus. Amen.
So welcome to McDonald's. Happy birthday, happy second birthday to Jana. Thank you for choosing McDonald's as your venue, especially sa atong parents na naadiri.
So, asa dubit walay ni Bibi Jana?
Yellow?
Gusto ko yung boy. Oh, ganahan nga prutas sila kami.
Pwede kay Nico or isa.
Banana. Banana.
Yes,
Yay!
very good.
Mango.
Wow, very good. Mango. Yay! Ate, pili ate kami. Ate, ganun naman.
Janadine, ato si Pam.
Thank you so much. Oh. Summer Andre.
Go, Kuya Andre!
Hi, Kuya Andre. Where are you from? Are you Platino? Kuya, gata na ang YouTube. Okay. Mostly, naanin sa YouTube yung bitanaw ha. Ang sa may ganaan nga cartoon character.
Oink, 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 Kuya. Oink, oink. Yay!
Oh, very good, Tita. Okay, form a big circle. Isang tetuli ni Kuya Marvin ha. Ngayon si Kuya Marvin, group yourself into 4. Marisaman mo. Mag-count mo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your body, turn around, libot. Then wave, asang wave. Okay, this is birthday girl. Wave at tingin. Okay, balik. And 3, 2, 1. Shake your body, turn around. Then wave. Okay, very good. For finals, group yourself. And 2, 6, and 3, 2, 1. Group yourself. And to 4. Nabigyan na sa birthday girl. Group yourself. And to 2. Congratulations. Okay, awas na si Kuan Justin Bieber. Thank you, BBGB. Ako papakan si Ellen.
Sayaw, attention!
Okay, dance. Ipata mo. Ang dili mo dance, dili ko yung sa sila muna. Okay, ilabay ko. Si Angel Roxy. Okay, mag-count si Kuya Marvin at yan, and at a count of 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, blow! Yay! Okay. Bibi Jana is now 2 years old today, and McDonald's Hagna. This is our birthday message to your lovely daughter.
Deep na daw. Before anything else, welcome and thank you for coming for today's Jana's birthday party. Thank you sa tanang mga parents and mga kids nga naanihi, sa mga, especially sa mga friends ni Jana din. Sige. Okay, Jana, belated happy birthday na. Happy birthday! What do you say? Yay! Happy birthday, Jana, and we wish you happy man good to kay daghan ni mga friends, and thank you for coming into our lives, anak. Kay bang di pa makasabot, pero kanang I hope na someday makita nimo nga pinangga ka ni mommy and daddy. Love you!
Okay. Mag-count of 10 down to 1, ha?
Wait up.
And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 1. That's all. Welcome, birthday! Hello, Bernie! Hindi ka ay birthday celebrant. Happy birthday! Say hi to the birthday girl.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blankets.
Dalawa ka na mga bata, ma. Magkamta and 5, 4, 25. Wow, a Barbie pillow. So our birthday girl, happy second birthday to the sweetest little girl. May your day be filled with lots of laughter, joy, and all the love in the world. You are so inspired and bring so much happiness to everyone around you. Enjoy every moment of your special day and make unforgettable moments. Wish you a year ahead filled with endless blessings and wonderful adventures. Have a fantastic birthday party later on. Everybody, and 3, 2, 1, go! Thank you so much.
We're here at Canuba Beach and we're having our lunch. Awake na mong bata. Awake na. Diyan na. Kiss daddy dyan na. Kiss daddy. Geraldine, kiss daddy. Hehe.